This is just when I came down by Cotton's Barbecue. You go all the way to the end of the road, and this is the beginning of where I'm seeing the damage begin of what's happened here. As you can see, this is Squaw Ridge. This is my niece's street. You can see the damage that's going on through here. As you can see right through here. Trees are down. Damage through there. I'm not sure I can even find her place. This doesn't look anything like it did the last time I was here. And I do remember that fence right there, kinda, sorta. I'm not sure if I just passed it or not, probably. I did. Yep, there it is, I found it. This is like coming into Marley's after the storm. Marley and Brian's, I should say. You can see there's lots of family here to help though. But this looks absolutely nothing like it did before. I don't even recognize this place. I mean, it's just demolished. Wow. Wow. This used to be their den, I think. Definitely. So happy they were not here when this took place. What you do after the storm tears up your house. Look fun? Not so much. Here is some mold.
I gotta get in there somehow, Jimmy.
This is some mold and stuff that was left in the installation at the top of this.
Hey, Michelle?
Yes? Hey.
Do you know what I'm doing right now, Michelle?
Yes, you're getting installation.
Destroying my home.
You're
the
destroying.
rest of the way.
Yes, you are.
I'm cleaning up Mother Nature's mess. She got drunk, threw a party, didn't invite any of us.
Well, she kind of did.
I know, right?
She did invite you. I think we're about to get into the baby's room.
Just come over and get insulation in here.
Is this the baby's room, Brian?
Yes, ma'am.
What's left of it.
That's it.
And his stuff.
Well,
This is my niece's prayer spot that she came to pray every day. As we look around, you can see trees down virtually all the way around it. It was almost like it made a circle. Everything is devastated around it. There's something down everywhere around it. But yet, her prayer spot remained unchanged. This is more of the back of their house. You can see the power of this storm, how it just ripped trees out of the ground. It just laid everything down. This is what happens to your stuff when a tornado hits. It's just strode to kingdom come. This is what you do with your stuff if you get it all tore up. You make a big old bonfire and start burning it. And it's hot, people. It is hot. There's another pile waiting to be burned. And you hear that chainsaw going off? You can hear that all over the neighborhood. Chainsaws are going everywhere.
All her hospital stuff.
And y'all know what? Wyatt got this for him.